In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a file from Project Knowledge in Claude AI. If you've added documents or reference files to a Claude project and you want to clean things up, update your project context, or simply remove something you no longer need, this is a very quick process. I'll walk you through exactly where to look and what to click so you can do it confidently. To begin, open Claude AI and look over to the left-hand sidebar. This is where your main navigation lives. In that sidebar, click on Projects. Once you do that, you'll see your available projects, and from there, select the specific project you want to work with. Make sure you choose the correct one, especially if you manage multiple projects with different files attached. After the project opens, direct your attention to the right side of the screen. You're looking for the Project Knowledge section. This area shows the files and materials currently attached to the project's context. In other words, these are the documents Claude can reference while working inside that project. Taking a moment to review this section is helpful so you can confirm you're editing the right project and removing the right file. Now, within that context list, find the file you want to delete. It may appear alongside other documents, so scan the file names carefully before taking action. This is especially important if you have several similar uploads, because removing the wrong file could affect how the project responds to prompts later. Once you've found the correct file, look next to its name for either the three dots icon or an X icon. The exact option may vary depending on the interface version you're seeing, but both serve the same purpose here. Click that option to open the removal action. If Claude asks you to confirm, go ahead and confirm the removal. That's it. The file will be removed from the Project Knowledge context for that project. Keep in mind that removing a file from Project Knowledge means it will no longer be available as reference material inside that project. So if you still need it later, you may have to upload it again. And that's how to remove a file from Project Knowledge in Claude AI quickly and safely.